Welcome to my new class. My today's topic of discussion is tense. Read the sentences of the following dialogue. Teacher, where are you today? Student, I am in Dhaka today. Teacher, where were you yesterday? Student, I was in Khulna. Teacher, where will you be tomorrow? Student, I will be in Rajshahi tomorrow. Dear students, in the above dialogue, there are hints for three definite time. The first question and its answer denote present actions. The second questions and its answer denote past actions. And the third questions and its answer denote future actions. Therefore, it is clear to us that the above dialogue indicates three different actions of time. The first one is present, the second one is past, and the third one is future. Tense. The time of accomplishing any action of a verb is called tense. There are three tenses. They are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Again, each of the tense is divided into four. They are present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, present future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Dear student, let us discuss tense elaborately. Present tense. The present tense describes an action in the present time. For example, she sings a song. The boy is playing football. Past tense. The past tense describes an action in past time. For example, she sang a song. The boy was playing football. Future tense. The future tense describes an action in the future time. For example, she will sing a song. The boy will play football. Present in the present tense, simple present or present indefinite tense. The simple present tense describes an action in the present time. It also describes habitual actions and universal truths. For example, the boy plays football. Rina goes to school every day. The sun rises in the east. Now, present continuous tense. The present continuous tense describes an action which is going on at present. For example, I am reading a novel, they are eating rice, etc. Present perfect tense. The tense describing an action which has just finished but the result of which still continues is called the present perfect tense. For example, he has gone to school, we have done the work. Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense expresses that the action has been going on for some time and is not finished yet. For example, we have been reading for 2 hours. The boy has been playing for 2 hours. Now, past tense. Simple past tense or past indefinite tense. The past simple tense denotes an action that took place in the past and the result of which is no longer present. For example, he went to school yesterday. I was present in the meeting. Now, past continuous tense. The past continuous tense denotes that the action was going on in the past for some time. For example, I was reading a book, you were playing cricket. Past perfect tense. The past perfect tense expresses an action complete before another past action. For example, I had reached the college before the examination began. He returned home after he had completed his work. Now, past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used when we are talking about an action that began before a definite moment in the past and continued up to that moment and was still in progress at that moment. For example, I had been reading when he came. He had been playing for 2 hours. Now, future tense. At first, simple future tense or future indefinite tense. The simple future tense denotes an action that will happen in the future. For example, I shall do the work, she will sing a song. Future continuous tense. The future continuous tense refers to an action which will be in progress at some time in the future. For example, I shall be reading a book, you will be flying a kite, etc. Now, future perfect tense. Future perfect tense denotes that an action will be completed at some point of time in the future, or it denotes an action completed before another future action. For example, I shall have finished reading the book by 4 p.m. You will have finished the work before he comes. At last, future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is used for actions which will be in progress over a period of time that will end in the future, or for an action that will be continuing before the completion of another future action. For example, I shall have been reading the book for 2 hours. We shall have been waiting for you until you come back. Now, individual verb. Rewrite the following sentences according to the directions. Number 1, he went to school. Turn it past continuous tense. Number 2, I read a novel. Turn it future indefinite tense. Number 3, they were drinking tea. Turn it present continuous tense. Number 4, you will have flown a kite. Turn it past indefinite tense. 5, she has drawn a picture. Turn it present continuous tense. Now match your answer with me. First answer is he was going to school. Second one is I shall read a novel. The third one is they are drinking tea. The fourth one is you flew a kite. The fifth one is she is drawing a picture. Now homework. Rewrite the following sentences according to the directions. Number 1, I shall have been reading the book for 2 hours. Turn it present continuous tense. Number 2, she will sing a song. Turn it past indefinite tense. Number 3, they are catching fish. Turn it future continuous tense. Number 4, you had done the work. Turn it past continuous tense. Number 5, you are playing football. Turn it future continuous tense, future indefinite tense. Thank you so much to join with me. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.